What is JavaScript object destructuring and why use it? Imagine you have a big box of assorted toys, and you only want to grab your favorite few without digging through everything. That's kind of what object destructuring does in JavaScript. It helps you pick out specific pieces from an object quickly and easily. Instead of writing long lines to access each property, destructuring lets you do it in a neat, simple way. It's a handy tool for making your code cleaner and easier to understand. Let's say you have an object called person with properties like first name and last name. Normally, to get these values, you'd write person first name and person last name every time. But with destructuring, you can write one line that pulls out those properties and puts them into variables. It looks like this. You write curly braces, then list the property names inside, and assign them to variables with the same names. So you write const first name, last name is equal to person. Now first name holds the value John and last name holds Doe. It's like magic, but it's just JavaScript doing its thing. One of the best parts about object destructuring is that the order of properties doesn't matter. Unlike arrays, where the position is everything, objects are more flexible. You can pick out properties in any order and it still works perfectly. Plus, you can rename properties on the fly. For example, if you want to call last name something else like surname, you just add a colon and the new name. It looks like this: const last name, surname is equal to person. Now the variable surname contains the last name, and your code stays clear and organized. Another useful feature is setting default values. Sometimes an object might not have all the properties you expect. Instead of getting an undefined value, you can give a default. For example, if last name might be missing, you can write const first name last name is equal to unknown is equal to person. If last name isn't there, it will automatically be unknown. This helps prevent errors and keeps your code running smoothly. In web development, object destructuring is everywhere. When you work with data from APIS, it's often in JSON format, which is just objects. Destructuring makes it quick to grab only the data you need. In frameworks like React, destructuring is used with props to pass data into components. Instead of writing this prop's first name, you can destructure right in the function parameters, making your code shorter and clearer. For example, function greeting, first name, last name, return h1 hello, first name, last name /h1. Overall, mastering object destructuring is a smart move for any JavaScript developer. It makes your code more concise, readable, and efficient. Whether you're handling complex data structures or building user interfaces, destructuring helps you work smarter, not harder. It's a simple tool with a big impact on how you write and organize your code.